Yanmar SA Series Tractors provide many attachments designed for versatility and an operator-friendly experience. The B65A Backhoe allows operators to perform numerous activities, making your SA Series tractor even more productive. This attachment can be easily removed and installed in a few simple steps. Removal. While removing the backhoe, always stand between the rear tire and the stabilizer arms, or alongside of the tractor to avoid being trapped should the boom swing control be accidentally activated. You'll need gloves and 3 6-inch wood blocks to perform this task. For starters, position the tractor on a hard, level surface with the range lever set to N, parking brake locked, and engine running at idle. Then, remove the transporter bar. Then, remove the swing lock pin and center the backhoe boom. Lower the right and left stabilizers to the ground to take weight off the rear tires. Using the control levers, lower the boom and arm to form a 90-degree angle and rest the bucket on the ground, which will make small adjustments easier during the process. You can now remove both locking pins from the pin assemblies. If the pins do not remove easily, use of the boom, bucket, and stabilizers will relieve pressure. Next, raise the boom to tilt the backhoe frame forward and away from the main subframe. Raise stabilizers to lower the backhoe. When the backhoe brackets are out of the hooks, lower the backhoe approximately 1.5 inches. Move the tractor forward if necessary to clear the backhoe brackets. Now you can place the 3 6-inch blocks under the backhoe mainframe and raise the stabilizers to lower the backhoe to its storage position on the blocks. Note, the boom and arm should be at a 90-degree angle. Turn off the tractor. Rotate the loader lever to relieve hydraulic pressure. Disconnect the hydraulics between the tractor and the backhoe. Use a rag to clean up any residual hydraulic oil. The circuit must be complete to be able to use the 3-point hitch and prevent damage to the hydraulic system while the tractor is in use with the backhoe removed. Now connect the hydraulics of the backhoe together for storage. This will prevent debris from entering the hydraulic system when reconnecting. Ensure that there is a slow-moving vehicle sign on the back of the tractor. Start the tractor, release the parking brake, and slowly pull forward. Your B65A backhoe removal is now complete. Reinstallation. Slowly back the tractor into position, ensuring the alignment of the tractor brackets and backhoe hooks. Set the parking brake and turn off the tractor. Relieve hydraulic pressure by rotating the loader handle. Disconnect backhoe hydraulics and the tractor hydraulics. Use a rag to clean up any residual hydraulic oil. Connect backhoe hydraulics to the tractor. Start the tractor and run at an idle. Lower the stabilizers to raise backhoe until the hooks are over the tractor pins. Slowly back the tractor into the backhoe subframe if needed. Raise the stabilizers to seat the backhoe mainframe into the mounting hooks of the subframe. Lower the boom to move the backhoe mainframe until upper mounting pin holes are aligned. Use stabilizers, bucket, and boom to align the upper mounting pin holes and insert pin assemblies, and then the locking pins. Place the transport lock onto the pin and then secure with the hairpin clip. Replace the swing lock pin into the transport position hole. It may be necessary to rotate the boom to align the holes. Reinstall the linchpin onto the swing lock pin so that it is secured. You can now raise stabilizers. Raise boom and arm to a curl travel position. Ensure a slow-moving vehicle placard is on the backhoe. You can now pick up your 6-inch storage blocks. Your backhoe is now installed to your SA tractor. For more information, consult your backhoe operation manual or contact your local dealer. Don't forget to visit us at www.yanmartractor.com.